So, good morning mga friends. Well, actually, it's already 1 p.m. Welcome to today's vlog. Yeah, it is such a bakit good? It is such a nice day today. Kasi 29 degrees Celsius today. Yeah, ang init. Yeah, ang init. Hindi pa kami kumakain, but I'm still waiting for Rookie. While waiting for Rookie, magtutupi muna ako ng mga damit. So, after ko magtupi, ayan na naman ang aking panibagong sampay. You may be wondering, guys, bakit dito namin sinasampay? It's because mainit sa loob and may mga may mga yung tawag niyan, wasp na sa labas. So, ayaw naming magsampay doon sa labas. And yeah, okay lang naman. Kami lang namang dalawa ni Rookie nandito eh. Tapos kwarto naman namin to. So pwede din. Tapos doon yung parang isang kwarto na parang closet din namin. Pwede din namang magsampay doon. Pero tinatamad ako. Mas gusto ko dito kasi may bintana. Malapit sa sa init. Ayan. So I'm really hungry. And yeah, I'm really hungry na talaga guys. Kaya speechless na ako. And sweet. Sleeveless tayo today kasi 29 degrees. And check out my bicep. Flex ko lang. So, ang init ngayon. Labang, let's labang.
Init ngayon.
Pupunta kami sa loob ng Kalizoe for
Ang fitting mo ni?
ha? Supermarket. Asa?
Ay, di.
Anong yellow?
Dahil nga alam mo kung may
Suka.
kapatid na.
We, are you sure? Ang ganda ng araw today, grabe. So hot.
Araw today.
Bawal na yung cellphone sa loob, kaya, wow! The river is so like a river. So, we are here at Daisoholic on drinks section, coffee section. So, I'm back here sa Daiso because I am looking for a jumping rope. Medyo maraming tao dito guys. So, ayan mga friendship, isa na lang yung pangbatang mask na lang naiwan. Kahapon nung nagpunta ako dito, marami pang mask. And now, yan na lang yung naiwan. Kala ko hindi mauubos. Bilisan na ako ngayon. Hi guys, this is Mama Mingming. It's time for the belly rub of the cats. Look at, yan, si Mama Mingming to kasi, oh, look at it, yung malaki yung boobie. Pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung mga baby Mingming. Ayan. And she is so pretty. Mama Mingming. Mama Mingming. Mama Mingming. Ah, blue eyes. Mama Mingming. Sarap, no? They really like this. Belly rub. Oh, not belly rub. Ang kate. Ang kate. Nandun sa labas si Margo kasi parang na-jello siya ni Mama Mingming. Pumasok siya kanina pero lumabas siya nung dumating si Rookie. Tawagin ko si Margo. What? Sa kuan lagi. Ayan, kumakain na si Mama Mingming. Melby. Melby. Hello. Nandito na. We are home. Hi, sa wakas. Yeah, wala na. It's like 3 months ago or something. And I got my favorite shampoo, yeah, which is this one from Biolis. If you're looking or wanted to try a new shampoo, try this one from Biolis. Gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya nakaka-pimples. Kasi pag yung iba, I'm just gonna remove my mask kasi, blah. This looks so, like, ano. So, yun nga. If I use like Pantene, Lux, tapos yung, ano yan, HNS na conditioner, I noticed na nakaka-pimples ako on the side of my face. But when I use this one, hindi siya nangyayari. So, I highly recommend if you feel like yung na-irritate yung skin nyo sa shampoo. Maybe, hindi nyo nanonotice yan. And, nagsastruggle kayo. Bakit may mga pimples kayo sa side or sa hairline ninyo, diba? It's sometimes, yung cause niyan is yung shampoo and conditioner ninyo. So, for me naman, this one is good kasi hindi siya. Kasi, yung gumamit ako ng Pantene, grabe talaga. I noticed yung, ito yung dito, ganyan sa face ko. But when, yeah, then I remembered nung nasa Pilipinas ako, when I was using yung Rejoice na mabangong Rejoice, yun yung nanonotice ko pag gumagamit ako ng super mabangong shampoo and conditioner, it breaks me out. So, eto naman, mabango naman siya, but it's not that thick compared to like the Pantene, the Lux, the Tsubaki, at yeah, yung mga ganon. So, highly recommend this one if you are looking for or you wanted to try new shampoo. This one from Biolis. This one in green is my favorite. In particular, this is like an airy, yung parang volume something. Meron din silang, yung straight, yung gusto mo ng straight hair, meron din. Tatlong variation yung meron nito. So, yeah, check this one out, guys. Yeah. So, I got a SPF pala, guys. Ito. This one. What brand is this one? Neo Illumi Skin UV Essence by Para Sola. Yeah, anong company ba to? Naris Up. Ito. This is 698 yen. 100 yen cheaper sa aking previous na ito from Kosei na ito, maganda siya. I really like this one. This is a tone up UV essence. Para lang din naman sila, violet lavender pala. And SPF 50++, pero ito is like 80 grams. Ito naman is 798 yen, 80 grams. And this one is, pareha lang din ang price. This one is 70 grams, tapos 698. So, they are the same. Really. Maliit lang. Okay. For body and face na pala to. But, I decided to get this one kasi, yung sa tester, parang siya, hindi gaya nito. This one is not, hindi naman siya oily sa face pag nilagay mo. But, ito talaga is, parang nagmamat siya after mo siya i-apply. This has a more matte feeling. And then, di ba, pa-summer na, so I wanted something na more matte na feeling. Yeah, but also, this one, I highly recommend this one from Suncut, from Cosmeport. Ayan. So, hopefully, okay lang ito. Hindi ako mag-breakout dito, no? Yeah. Pero, so far naman, hindi naman ako nag-breakout sa mga SPF nila. Even yung Beauty. So, pretty excited. Now, it is like 5 PM na. Pero, kitang-kita nyo naman sa labas. Masyado pa siyang maliwanag. Sabi nga ni Rookie, parang daw, 2 o'clock. Sabi niya, mamaya na lang ako magbabay kasi masyado pa daw mainit. Sabi niya, it's almost 5 na pala. Nung nasa sasakyan pa kami. So, yun. Maliwanag pa. And also, I'm planning to make a video, yung whole video. Yeah, I'm planning to make a whole video kasi medyo marami na sila. From Akano rin and Shimamura. So, saglit lang naman yun. I'm just going to set up somewhere here. Yeah. Hopefully, magawa natin yan. Yeah. Yun. Minasama. This is our dinner. Eto, cook na ito na Ginawa lang to ni Rookie. The ramen that we use is this one. Yung instant. Supposedly, ginaya namin yung picture. Bumili kami ng baboy na parang ganito. But, when I put inside the microwave, naging ganito.
Okay,
Pero wala kaming egg. Pero I don't like egg. I don't like corn. I don't like taugi as well. Ito wala, baliktad. Miso ramen. Ito, masarap siya guys. Try this if you're here in Japan. Try this. Miso ramen from Sapporo. Ayan, so ito yung amin. Tapos meron din kaming chicken. Kain tayo! Oh, by the way guys, I just wanted to quickly mention that we already received the application form for the 100,000 yen subsidiary from the government. So, I think dumating siya nung kailan ba yun? Monday? No. Yeah, Monday. And then, we already passed it. So, eto yun. Tapos, ayan. So, dalawa kami ni Rookie. So, ayan yung matatanggap namin. So, to avoid fraud, nakasulat na yung pangalan namin dyan. Hindi na, na lang, magsasign na lang. Tapos sa taas, parang may a little, tapos a little details kung saan mo ipapadala yung pera mo. So, to be, ayan. So, this is not fraud. This is really real. Yeah, government is really giving this. Kasi nung before siya dumating, sabi ng iba, yung mga Japanese lang yung makakatanggap. No, it's not. All residents here in Japan are eligible to receive the government amelioration. Yun. So, eto na yan. This is it. So, at least makakatulong na din ito makakatulong ito sa lahat. So, ayan. So, hello mga friendships. I just finished filming a whole video for you all. I'm so tired, grabe. It is mga 1 hour din akong nag-film. Ang tagal-tagal. So, finally, at natapos na din ako kasi mag-prepare pa ako para sa baon namin because I'm so tired. So, this is the behind the scene of it all. Wow, the lighting looks so angelic. Ayan, it's so bright here actually. And then, ayan yung mga pinaggagawa natin. So, ayun na guys. I think we've reached the end of the night here. I need to say goodnight now. Medyo mahaba na din tong video na ito, I guess. So, yeah. I need to say goodnight now. So, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. Mga friendships, stay safe. Stay home if you are still in quarantine siguro. Pero dito sa Japan, medyo nag-lift daw, pero I'm not so sure. Pero na-fade na ang aking eyebrows. Basta some areas nag-lift na daw yung nila, yung ano ba yan, oh my god, state of emergency daw, pero dito sa area namin hindi pa. Medyo cautious pa kami. So I hope everybody is all well and safe. Stay safe. And yeah, always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on my next video. Good night.